this, all you're gonna have to do, just loosen these, this bolt here to remove the caliper. Just like this, 13mm. These pliers, the same for the bottom. Just loosen them up. So these are the clips that it comes with here on the bag. Oh, that's right, you gotta remove this. Alright, so just make sure you remove both brake pads in order to remove these little brackets. Remove those, like I said, with the wire brush. Just kind of trust me, this is gonna help it a lot. It's gonna prevent a lot of that squeaking too. I guess once they snap on there, then just go ahead and put the lower one also. Get some mosquito spray. But oh yeah. So for this lube, or yeah, lubricant, just put some in the edges right here. But I would say just these corners right here. Just do the other side as well. I've seen some people do it all completely, but I'm not 100% sure. Alright guys, once you guys put all the clips back and the brake pads back, it'll pretty much just open up the caliper and you can stick it back on there. You think it's good, and put the wheel back on here, and we got both sides already, and then we'll go to the front. It's almost the same process.